Hello, welcome to Simon Shield Cars. Today we're going to show you a bit of an unusual car for us to have in stock. This is a Toyota Prius. It's the Prius Plus XL TSS HEV CVT automatic. So this is the one with the 7 seats in it. 2019 registered, so just on a year old, just over 7,000 miles on it. It's had its first Toyota service done to keep the warranty up to date, and also the hybrid check has been done. You'll find all that detail in the photographs. We've photographed the invoices for that. Background of the car, it's a one-owner car. The lady who bought this was a previous customer of one of the dealers that we deal with. They're a Subaru main dealer, and basically she had a Subaru Forester before, bought this thinking this is what she wanted, decided it wasn't what she wanted, traded it back in and bought another Subaru Forester. So that's how the car's come to us. The car's like new, as you would expect with that mileage on. It's absolutely beautiful. So it's a combination of the 1.8 petrol engine, VVTI petrol engine, and the hybrid system. So let's have a look around. Starting on the front here, as you can see, you've got front parking sensors here as well as the rear ones. And along with that, this has got the self-park system with this as well. We've got the 17-inch alloy wheels, all unmarked, all on original tyres. We've also got the xenon headlights. Okay, so looking down the side of the car, beautiful day, so you can see the paintwork. It's absolutely lovely. No marks, no scrapes, no scuffs, as you'd expect. Rear parking sensors here as well. Show you in the boot. Okay, in the back here, as you can see, this has got the optional load liner in here, and also, as well as rubber mats in the car, we've actually got a set of brand new carpet mats for the car as well here. Load area cover, and underneath here we've got the 7 seats. We'll show you those in a moment. And I believe down under here as well we've got the base saver spare wheel. Okay, so we've put the seats up, the third row of seats up right now, so you can see it limits the amount of space in the back here, as you would imagine, but still a bit of space in there. And obviously seats with headrests and seat belts in the back here as well. Okay, really easy to fold these. Little clip on the side there. That goes down, and the same on this side, just like that. Just looking down the side here, all in good order. Show you in the back here. So middle row seats here, these are 3 individual seats which all move. Okay, so all these seats work individually, so these slide backwards and forwards, and they also recline as well, so you've got a bit of extra flexibility there for the rear seat passengers. Okay, so we've also got rear window blinds on here as well. This is handy for youngsters in the back, well, anybody in the back to be honest with you, and combine that with privacy rear glass or heat insulating rear glass as well, stops so much heat getting into the back. Right, so we've got keyless entry and exit on this, so no need to get the keys out of your pocket. Quite simply leave them in your pocket. You can undo the car and get in, and lock the car when you come out, and also just push the button inside the car to start it, so actually you don't need the keys at all. Anyway, showing inside here, full set of electric mirrors, including folding mirrors and windows, and seats in a sort of a very dark grey, it's almost black actually. We've got the lane departure warning. We've also got the self-park system down there as well, and auto adjust for the headlights. Multi-function steering wheel. Down in the middle here, we've got in the screen there, we've got navigation, we've got Bluetooth, we've got DAB radio. Right, let's show you under the bonnet. Just to say, this is a lovely colour, magnetic grey. It's got like a bluey tint in it as well. So, underneath here, engine bay, all clean and tidy as you'd expect. And this is, just to reiterate, it's a 1.8 VVT petrol engine along with the hybrid system. Okay, so there we have it. Quick run through of that again. 2019 Prius XL, so the 7-seater. Magnetic grey metallic, one owner from new, just over 7,000 miles, as new. Beautiful, beautiful car this. If you need any more information, please give us a call. Simon Shield Cars, 01473 658 091, or hop on the website simonshieldcars.co.uk, and all the photographs, all the specification, everything is detailed on there. That's about it. Thank you very much for watching.